I'm gonna make a tutorial how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now I'm gonna solve it. So first I have to do my white cross. But first I need to surround it with a yellow. So let me just do that right now. And now I got all this, and I got all these white edges, and it's surrounded by the yellow center. And now I need to get these to this white cross. So this one's already there, so I need to move it to there, in the place. Then I need the next one into the place. So I need that one to there, and then need that one to there. So move it there, then that one, and then it gets that one there, and it also gets that one there, and you move it here. Then the last one is supposed to go here, so you can pair up with that. Then once you do your white cross, you need to do your corners. So now I need this corner into this spot. So I move that out of the way, turn that 2 times, move that up, move that left, move that down. The corner shouldn't be too hard. Now I need the next one into that place. So I move that there, I move it there, and move that white corner there, move it left, move it up, move it left, move it right, move down. And then get that out and move it to here. Then I move it there, move it left, move it down. Now this one's here, so I need to rotate it there. There or there, but not there or there. And up, and left, there or there, but not there or there. And then turn that back down. Turn that left, turn that up, turn that right, turn that down. Once I get my full color in these 4 lines, now I need to get these edges in this spot. That one's not, that one's not, that one's not, and that one's not. How to do it? The algorithm goes like this. Just you move it up, move it left, move it down, move it right. And turn the cube like that, move it foot, move it down, then pair that back. So you get that there. Now you get it there, and it's flipped. And you move it there. But if something, if it's blue and orange, that means it's flipped. If it's orange and blue, that means it's not flipped. Now I need, and if it's there, that means you can, you do the algorithm once and it becomes into that place. So up, left, down, right? Basically like that, front, down, and you know what to do. Now I need that one in this spot, so I need to move it there, and up, left, down, right, turn it place like that, and then left, front, down, and then there, and then you turn that there. Now I need to do this one next because that one's already there. So up, left, down, right, turn it to the left, turn it there, and then front, down, right. Now I need that last one in. See, it's already flipped. I need to bring it there. Then up, left, down, right, then front, down, right. Turn to left. Once I get these 2 lines done and my full color done, I need to do my cross. See, I already have half of it done. I need to rotate it there. Then I need to do the algorithm, and the algorithm goes like this. Turn the face as a double I, and then repeat up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And some people does it like that, but you can just leave it like that. So it's up, left, down, right, undo. Now you need all of these lined up. So I need, see, I already had lined up 2, but I didn't line up these other 2. So I need to do the algorithm on this color, and the algorithm goes like this. Turn it up, turn it left, turn it down, turn it left again. And the other algorithm, I turn it there. So turn it left, turn it up, turn it back, or you can just turn it like that, and turn it down. If I turn to the left, it will just pair up all the edges, and you get all the crosses done. Now I need these corners in this spot. Now none of them in this spot. Wait, I need to do the algorithm. But algorithm goes like this. Move it to the left, move it up, move it right, move that other side up, move that left, move that left, move that right, move the other side down. Now I only get one of them in this spot. So I need to do the algorithm here. And left, up, right, other side up, left, down, right, other side down. Now I get all the edges in the right spot and one flip correct. Once I get all the edges in the right spot, I need to flip the cube upside down. And then I need to put these edges by repeating up, left, down, right. And if you only have to repeat it 2 or 4 times to make it right. So up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Now flip. I did it 4 times. Next one, up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, down, right. Up, left, down, right. So I only did 4 times again. And the next one, up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Now it's solved. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.